Do you see this shirt? Do you see that? Do you see those big letters? They were put on there purposely. They say hurricanes. Hurricanes. You know why they are on there? That's when I'm bowling and I'm on the alley. People who are watching the game know which team I'm a member of. I'm a member of the Hurricanes, Alice. How are they gonna know I'm a hurricane?
Just open your mouth.
Hardy har har. Moving right along. Devotion 74. Having anointed Saul to be the first king of Israel, the next task was to make all the nation aware of it. 1 Samuel 10:17. And Samuel called the people together unto the Lord to Mizpah. Once Samuel had gathered them, they went through a system of narrowing things down to the tribe of the new king, to the family of that tribe of the new king, to the man of the family of the tribe of the new king. And the name God presented them with was Saul. But when they called his name, he was not there. And a hilarious twist. Look at what happened next. 1 Samuel 10:22. Therefore they inquired of the Lord further, if the man should yet come thither. And the Lord answered, Behold, he hath hid himself among the stuff. And they ran and fetched him thence. Their new king, the man they demanded to lead them, was scared and hiding. That should have let them know what they were in for. Later on, when Goliath came to battle, Saul made self scarce yet again. Someone else had to fight the battle. Do realize that external size is no indicator of internal character. Saul was a big man on the outside and a tiny, scared little man on the inside. If all we ever look at is externals, we will miss the greatness of many who seem small and the smallness of many who seem great.
A good lesson, Ralph, talking about size.
Stop right there. Let's end on a good note.
You're right, Ralph, but I think you have a big heart.
Thanks, baby. You're the greatest. Have a blessed day, folks.